Cut olives into small pieces in this way. Add oil, add bay leaf, dry chili, add 5 seed fennel, black cumin seed and fenugreek seed. Add olive in, stir it, fry it till then soft. Add little bit of salt to taste. Mix it. Add water to boil. After bubble come out, cover it for a while. Open the lid. Stir it. Add 1 cup sugar in it. Now cook it till then sugar dissolve and color become golden. Cook it high flame. Ready chutney, olive chutney, Bengali olive chutney is ready to serve. Olive Bengali chutney ready to serve. You can eat with roti, paratha, luchi, rice, fried rice and also pakoras.